Hi, this is Mr. Review. Back to doing some actual reviews. So, you see me open these watches up, the 38 millimeter and the 42 millimeter. Okay, I've been wearing a 38 millimeter for about 3 weeks now, mainly at work. This one on the weekends, the 42. I would have to say they're about the best thing that I ever bought, best investment I ever made for, sorry about that, that's snowplows outside going by. Best investment I ever made. I really like them. They complement my iPhone really good. So, this is the Series 1, both of them, sports watch. I highly recommend if you can't afford the Series 2 or 3 or an edition, these are great. I've really had no problem with them. This is a aftermarket screen protector. It's all in one that I've been wearing. Let's see if I can get it off here. Close the plow again. There's this here's got the it's protected my watch excellent at work. I don't know if you can tell, there's like some scratches and stuff up in here. I'm not sure if the camera will pick that up. Oh, kind of right there. That's just bumping into walls at work. They're concrete. But I highly recommend if you're gonna have a watch, get one of these. It's the company's name is, let's see if I can get that in there. That. So all it does is slides right up over, put that on the digital crown first, like this. Push it over, kind of give it a little pull, and it goes on. Doesn't add any more bulk to the watch. You can see you can get to the crown with no problem, the button no problem. And the watch band that's on there is an aftermarket watch band. It's not Apple. It's from, oh, I can't remember, sorry. I'll do a review on that later, but it's an awesome band. And instead of the one notch, it's got two, which really keeps the watch secure. So this is the 42. This is an aftermarket band too. Oh, this band, I only paid, I think, $8 for it on Amazon. This band, I paid, I think, $10 on Amazon. It's a loop. You can see. But this has got a cover on it too. This is the same thing as that. Get it off here. It's got the cover. Same thing. Same company. Same way you put it on. It's on. It's all good. But like I was saying, these are, I don't know how I lived without these watches, to be honest. It saves a lot of battery life on my phone. Because I don't have to look at my phone all the time. My watch is pretty good. The battery life, it says 18 hours. Heck, I use it quite a bit at work. Like, I have to write down, every time I open my machine, I have to write down the time. And that's like every 10 minutes. And battery life's been great. I take my watch off the charger at 2:30 in the morning, and I don't put it back on until about 9. and I still have at least 40% when I put it on, and that's with moderate use. But yeah, I would recommend these. Now this here is a watch band I bought from eBay. Or not eBay, sorry, Amazon. I don't buy any stuff like that from eBay. It is a Value by stainless watch, black, 42 millimeter new. So it's a link watch. I bought it for the 42. Open this up here. This is the band. So I'll put that to the side. See what else is in here. Hey, this is some kind of like foam rubber. So it comes with the tool to take the link off. Instructions. Take this out. Screwdriver. Instruction how to take the links out. And that's put the box to the side. We're going to put that on the 40. And with these covers on, you don't have to worry about taking off to take your watch band off. It just comes off like that. Just hit that button, slides off. Let's see. Get the plastic off. See. You only need a knife, or is it just going to come off? Oh, okay. These two things here is how you release it. Got this here, push it, it releases it. But it does not release the plastic that's on it. Okay, here we go. It's not wanting to come off very easy. Not at all. Sorry. I'm going to pause this and I'll come back. Can't get this off of there. Okay, sorry about that, I'm back. That one half just would not come off. So this is, and it just snaps. And opens up. So let's go ahead and put this on. Probably going to be too big. Be expected, it's not adjust it. Yep, there it is. That's what it looks like. Then take it off. Let's do that, and off it goes. I want to see what it looks like without the case on it. Let's see. Oh, looks pretty good without the case on it. Looks good with it. Looks good without it. Okay. Oh, and I'd have something. This company sent me these watch chargers, docking stands. Pretty cool. Elago. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but they sent me these really neat docking stations to do reviews on. It's really awesome. There's that one. Let's get the watch out of there. Same version as that one, just in black. So I appreciate them sending me these to do a review on. That's gracious of them to do. I really appreciate it. And here's a different style. This is like from the 80s, 90s version of the iMac. So I'll open it up real quick and let's go with this. Kind of like a nice plastic bag. And this is the charging dock for an iWatch. Pull that out. And docket station. Yes, you put the wire through there. Snap it in. Put it in there. I'm sure you could probably wrap the wire up and stick it up there. Stick it up in there. And just take your iPhone, or iPhone, sorry, your Apple Watch, shove it in there. And I don't have it plugged in, the charger, so it would come on and that's the way it would sit. But let me do that real quick. Just to give you an idea what it's going to look like. So that's what it's going to look like. Pretty cool. Okay, the black one is pretty much the same thing. It's going to be hard to get this open. I can see already. That one wasn't for some reason. There's the black one. Same as the white one. Pretty cool. And now this one that looks like it's from the 80s. I think this one's going to be the coolest. Yeah, that's cool. So I'm not sure where the wire goes for this one. How you get it up in there. Okay, just it can come through there. Take that out and look. And these are their charging docks for the Apple Watches. They are on Amazon. You can get on Amazon. Here we go. one in here. No charging thing in there. But yeah, that's what those are. I think they're pretty cool. I haven't used them yet, except for this one here. There's now. I use another docking station for my phone and my watches. Okay, that's all for now. This watch band here, I paid $16.97 or something like that on Amazon. And I won't do the linking and I'm doing all that. There's other channels out there. Unless I find the time, I might. But that's all. Thanks. And like, subscribe, share. Bye.